All right, let's take a quick walk around of this 1990 Cadillac Brougham, available here at Rolling Museums. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and bows. She can be purchased with or without the wheels. She got a 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8, backed by a 4-speed automatic. She has a little over 40,000. Paint is in good shape. She got a digital gauge cluster. Back seat is in excellent condition. Package tray nice and clean. Headliner good. Headliner good. Let's start her up. That's a 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter, backed by a 4-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. She's running good. If you want a more detailed video, go visit Rolling Museums YouTube channel. Check out rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. Financing available. This was the last full-size body-on-frame Brougham GM produced.